Dallas Mavericks versus Oklahoma City Thunders, game number 2. NBA Semifinal West Conference. Leading sa series ang OKC 1-0.
Irving lobs for Washington. Washington and Gafford came over via trade in early February. The Mavs have now Doncic hitting the three, and he's nodding. Lobs it back out for SGA. Washington right there in his grill. Gilgeous-Alexander leans in and gets at the base. Those long strides and slow movement.
Pagkatapos ng first half, 68-62 lamang ang Dallas ng 6. Dikdikan ng laro magsimula ng third quarter. Pero sa huling 5 minutes ay umarangkada ang Dallas. Natapos ang third quarter lamang na sila ng 10, 99-89. Napanatili nila ang kalamangan at sila ay nanalo. Ang final score 119-110. Ang game number 3 ay sa home court ng Dallas.